In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google Calendar. By the end, your calendar will be cleaner, faster to use, and far more helpful in keeping your day on track. Let's start by organizing your life with multiple calendars. Create separate calendars for work, personal life, school, or specific projects, so everything stays grouped and easy to manage. Give each calendar a distinct color so you can identify it at a glance. For example, blue for work, pink for personal, and green for fitness. You can toggle these on and off in the sidebar to focus only on what matters right now. Next, set your default event details so you save time with every new event. Click the gear icon for settings, then open Event Settings. Choose a default event duration that matches your routine, maybe 30 or 45 minutes. Set your preferred visibility, like public or private, and add default notifications so you don't have to customize them each time. These small defaults add up to big time savings. For anything that repeats, meetings, classes, workouts, use recurring events. When you create an event, set it to repeat on a schedule, like every Monday at 10 a.m. You can choose an end date or leave it ongoing. If a single instance changes, you can adjust just that occurrence without breaking the whole series. Keep everything for a meeting or task in one place by adding descriptions and links. Use the description field to paste a video meeting link, add an agenda, or include notes. Attach files like documents or slides so you're never hunting for materials minutes before the call. When everything lives in the event, you'll arrive prepared. Now, optimize your calendar view. The week view is great for detailed planning because you can see how your time blocks stack up. Hide early morning or late night hours to reduce clutter and keep your focus on when you actually work. If you want a simple list of what's next, switch to the agenda or schedule view for a clean, scrollable overview of your day. Finally, fine-tune your notifications and reminders. Set subtle alerts, like 10 to 15 minutes before meetings, so you have time to switch contexts without being overwhelmed by constant pings. For key tasks, create daily reminders at a consistent time. You can choose on-screen notifications or emails, depending on what gets your attention best. Put these pieces together and your Google Calendar becomes a reliable command center, organized, predictable, and tailored to how you work. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.